Village Home Stores is your locally owned source for appliance sales and service in the greater Quad City area. We carry the entire Whirlpool family of appliances, which includes Maytag, Amana, Whirlpool, and KitchenAid. This diverse assortment of quality name brands allows us to offer something within every customer's budget. Our full staff of expert salespeople can help you decide what features and brands are perfect for your lifestyle. Our store has provided quality products paired with service you can count on. Our knowledgeable sales staff undergoes extensive product training and keeps up with current trends in the appliance industry. At Village Home Stores, we also service what we sell, along with many major brands that we don't. Our staff of expert appliance technicians service all of Henry, Rock Island, Whiteside, and Scott County. Find us online anytime at villagehomestores.com or give us a call at 309-944-1344. Village Home Stores, downtown Geneseo.